Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reply to emails with voice messages inside Gmail. This is a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your responses and save time when you need to communicate detailed information without typing it all out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store by typing chromewebstore.google.com into your address bar. Once you're there, look for the search bar positioned at the top left of the page. In that search bar, type Vocal for Gmail and press Enter. This extension will allow you to record and send voice messages directly from Gmail, making your email communication more dynamic and engaging. From the search results, click on the extension named Record Your Voice and send voice messages in Gmail by vocal.email. Make sure you're selecting the official listing to ensure you're getting the legitimate extension. Once you've found it, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and you'll need to click Add Extension to complete the installation. This installs the Vocal extension directly into your Chrome browser, integrating it seamlessly with your Gmail interface. Now that the extension is installed, navigate to your Gmail account by typing mail.google.com into your browser and signing in. Once you're logged in, locate and open the email you want to reply to. Click the Reply button to open the Compose window where you'll craft your response. Here's where things get interesting. Look inside the Reply toolbar or Compose window for a new microphone icon that's been added by the Vocal extension. This icon is your gateway to recording voice messages. Click on the microphone icon to start recording your voice message. Speak your message clearly and naturally, just as you would if you were leaving a voicemail or having a conversation. When you're finished speaking, click Stop to end the recording. Before sending, take a moment to review your recording to ensure everything sounds clear and complete. Once you're satisfied, click Send. Your voice message will be attached to your email reply as an MP3 file, allowing the recipient to listen to your message directly. This feature is especially useful for conveying tone, explaining complex topics, or simply adding a warm, personal element to your professional communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.